As you can see, I've taken off all the decals. I didn't like the orange on it. It made it look like a fake KTM product, probably already a bootleg motorcycle. Orange cheapened it a little bit for me, so I went ahead and took off all the orange decals that it had, the orange line, the 300. I had some other stuff that said CFMOTO. It had orange on the wheels. I did keep the gray on, but I took the orange off. I didn't like that look on it at all. Took the rear pegs off. It looks nicer without the rear pegs. No one's gonna sit back there anyway. I also took off the chrome heat shield that it had on the exhaust. Fortunately, no one's making an exhaust for it here in the States, and if I start looking at what's going on down there, I think I have to cut and weld an exhaust on it, and I'm not looking to do that right now. So I just took the chrome heat shield off. It looked cheap, so I'll just leave it like that for now until I figure out what I'm gonna do with the exhaust. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this tail yet. I mean, it has a small LED light here. I'm thinking of taking this thing out, putting the plate up here. No one makes a tail tidy for this thing yet. I don't know, maybe I could kind of rig something up there down the road, and maybe this will grow on me. I'm not sure, but so far this is the way it looks. I have a CFMOTO app for this bike. I didn't buy it for the app. They really do need to work out some bugs on the app, because a lot of the stuff doesn't work on it. But the more I play around with it, I find little things on it. Also has this switch here that you can kind of like flash your headlights. So that was cool. Noticed it just the other day when I was playing around with it.